This is my first day of school for 4th grade. Right now we're going to be going to the bus stop. Well, I'm really excited for the first day of school. I think I'm going to love 4th grade.
Okay. Oh, you have a camera there.
All right. Time.
You ready?
Yep. Here we go. Woo! It's our second stop.
Good morning. Hi, Hansa.
Hi, Hansa. Hi, I missed you, bro.
Good morning.
Yep.
Good morning, guys. Welcome aboard. Mr. India, welcome back. Good morning.
Hey, Callie.
Morning. Welcome back. Back on the road again, guys. Okay, guys, have a seat. Listen to your patrols. Are you excited to start in school, guys?
Yep.
Yeah?
All right.
Okay, kindergartens. Where are my kindergartens? Come on, honey. Hi, guys. Have a great day. It was great to see you again. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow.
Oh wow, look at that! Welcome back! Good morning! Happy birthday!
Yes.
Hi. Hi, Mr. Weissman.
Happy first day of school.
Yeah, my first day of school. All right. Time to head to Miss Nguyen's.
Good morning, GBE families. We are going to be starting our day in about 10 minutes.
Hi.
Please go on one of the side doors.
You're gonna have a wonderful